Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sheets and their other uses. But first, just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and push that red button there that says subscribe, then ring the notification bell. And everyone, please help me out with YouTube, give me a thumbs up. Alrighty, so sheets, other uses. And no, I'm not talking about putting a sheet over your head, cutting a couple eye holes out and going, ooh. No, I'm talking about sheets being used outside for the garden and other uses for sheets indoors too. So I got a two-phaser here. All right, so sheets outdoors. Usually what my wife does, because even in California, in the San Francisco Bay Area, it freezes. And we've gotten some pretty hard freezes. So what she does is she has a big, huge jade plant out in front of the house in a little planter right up against the house. She stuck out some PVC pipe out there, made a little rack over it, and she'll put sheets up over it to contain the heat radiating off the house and to keep the jade plant from freezing. And in the backyard, we've put up some poles and stuff in the orange trees, the lemon trees, tangerines, and several other trees out back. And she will put the sheets up over that, and we'll go out there. We'll, with a whole bunch of clothespins, and we'll pin sheets together to be able to cover the trees enough to keep them from freezing. She's also used little PVC hoops in the raised planter beds, and then laid the sheets over that to keep some of the plants from freezing as well. And 1 or 2 layers of sheets does a lot to keep plants from freezing. Now, one of the other things we use them for is my wife likes to make quilts. And so she'll pick up some very interesting patterned sheets and stuff, either at Wally World or Target, or she'll pick some stuff up at the thrift store where she can get it even cheaper. And, washes them all, gets them all done, and then cuts them up to the little squares to do quilts. Now, a friend of ours used to take the sheets and cut them in strips and then braid them to make area rugs. The woven oval rugs with everything's twist tied and braided together like that. So there's a lot of uses for old sheets. So don't just throw your sheets out. And if you don't have a need for them, ask around. There are probably a lot of people who would love to get the old sheets to use them either for the garden or for making quilts or area rugs. All right? So as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And above all, keep on prepping and getting yourself self-sufficient. All right? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.